My name is John Devaney. I live across the street from the St. Thomas More Church. The bells have been going off 700 times a week, very loud volume, and it's been going on for too long, and I'm not getting any response back from the people that control the bells. First of all, the bells are they're amplified, and they're broadcast on loudspeakers. I think we live in a historic neighborhood. I think we should get back to removing the amplifiers and the loudspeakers. And then I think they should bring the bells back to a reasonable number and a reasonable time. Right now it's at 8:45 and 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock during the week, and it's more on weekends. It's just a lot for a small neighborhood, a small historic neighborhood. I've complained to everybody, and now I'm complaining to the court. I'm hoping that they can help me, So it's a lot to go through every day. So we'll have to see what happens, that's all. Yeah, that's every day.